Strong as an elephant, quiet as a mouse. The fan generates an air current of up to 44,000 cubic meters per hour and a maximum vacuum of 55,000 Pascal. The suction hose is moved three-dimensionally via a hydraulically operated boom. The air current removes all material through the suction crown. All materials can be sucked up, solid materials up to 250 millimeters in diameter. The air is quietened and deflected in the collection chamber so that the main elements of the intake are eliminated. Separation chambers provide further purifying and drying of the air stream. The collection tank is positioned such that the load is optimally distributed over the vehicle axles. The superfine filter unit separates the finest dusts from the airflow. The purified air is discharged to the top via a sound-absorbing unit. The fine mesh filters are cleaned with compressed air. The collection chamber, the separation chambers and the fine mesh filter unit are emptied whenever the tilting operation is performed. All functions of the superstructure are controlled via a radio-operated remote control box or via a cabled remote controller. Outstanding service, references that speak for themselves and for us. The high-performance suction excavators. Areas of application. Suction excavators are the economical solution in applications where a high risk of damage forbids the use of hydraulic excavation machines and/or the job site conditions make conventional excavation impossible. Suction excavators assure instant operability, quick non-destructive excavation, and reduce interference with traffic and minimize the impact on the environment. We can use these suction excavators to help you clear cable systems, pipelines and supply connections. Vacuum excavate burst pipes, supply and waste removal lines. Dig trenches near supply and pipelines. Vacuum railway track ballast. Vacuum liquids and foam. Drill probing holes to locate cables and pipelines. Effortlessly remove stones of up to 25 centimeters in diameter and weighing up to 35 kilograms, as well as mud, ballast and water. Replace soil near tree roots. Vacuum gravel from flat roofs. The benefits to you at a glance. No damage to underground supply and pipelines. Faster, more economical excavation in earthworks. Dust and noise emissions lie well under regulatory values. Increased work safety when working on burst pipes or in contaminated areas. Up to 8 times faster than manual digging.